Welcome in part 2. Now we're going to show you how to make a very cheap template to template the shape of that stringer. So what we're going to use is a MDF strips and contact adhesive. So we've got glue and the spray activator. So I'll ask Martin now just to show you how to make a very easy and affordable template. Okay, so what we've got here, we can either cut it, we can just break it, snap it really. All it matters is the line next to the thread and next to the riser. So what Martin is doing it now is he's just making lengths more usable. Okay, so whatever it's required, you can use a Stanley knife. That's 2mm MDF, so it's very easy to cut or snap. So let's have a look, see what's happening there. So at the moment, Martin is preparing all the pieces, which at the later stage he will glue together just to create a stringer shape. Okay, so it's fairly simple. You just apply some adhesive onto one part, you spray the other part. That spray is actually the activator, so it bonds very quickly. You bond pieces together. Okay, so after about 10 minutes we've got a template, one of the sides made. So what we've got is the internal line and the bottom of that piece, bottom line of that piece. So in the next video, let's have a look, see what that looks like. So that's our template. So internal line and under line of that top piece. So in the next video we'll show you how to transfer that into the stringer cladding piece, which is one of these pieces for the long pieces, and what to look at, what to be careful of, and where the cuts are going. So that's in the next video. Thanks for watching the second part of the stringer cladding of the staircase transformation, which is called stringer cladding. So far we've done notching out of the corners of the threads. We've done the template, and now in the part 3 we'll be transferring a template into the piece of the stringer cladding. So give us a like, watch our videos, and welcome in part 3. Thanks.